Now, most of you already know about Jigsaw, music, everything for entertainment, from karaoke, bingo, game shows, race nights. What you might not know are some of the really cool additional extras you can get to help enhance your entertainment. Things like our dedicated Bluetooth buzzer that you can walk all around the room, bang, and interact with your customers in a different way to get them using Jigsaw. Another great thing I'm a huge advocate for is the printer. This can print out raffle tickets, win receipts. It does your printing out at the end of your bingo to say how much money you've won, lost, paid out, all that sort of stuff. For all your race nights, whether it's dogs, horses, pigs, press the button, like to bet on number 2 please, out prints a ticket, there you go Mr. Customer. The same for win receipts. You've given away a free meal at the bar. It prints a receipt out, you give it to the customer, says free meal with the date, take it to the till, goes in the till, they get their free meal, you've got a paper trail. It's really, really helpful. Have a look at whether you want the printer, the buzzer, the walkabout tablet to control the Jigsaw. Look at additional extras to help you get the best out of Jigsaw.